Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stream to Facebook Live with OBS Studio in 2026. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and make sure your Facebook account or page is ready for live streaming. You'll also need a stable internet connection because a reliable upload speed is important for maintaining a smooth live stream. Start by creating a new scene in OBS. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button and give your scene a name, such as Facebook Live. Next, add the content you want to show viewers. You can use display capture to show your entire screen, window capture for a specific application, or game capture for gameplay. If you want to appear on camera, add a video capture device for your webcam. Arrange the sources in the OBS preview. Resize and position your webcam, screen capture, or other elements until the layout looks clean and easy to follow. Now open the OBS settings menu and go to the stream section. Depending on the current Facebook Live and OBS integration, select Facebook as the streaming service if available, or use the streaming credentials provided by Facebook Live. If Facebook provides a stream key or server URL, copy the required information carefully and enter it into the appropriate OBS fields. Keep your stream key private because anyone with access to it may be able to use your streaming connection. Next, open the output settings and choose an appropriate encoder and bitrate. Your ideal settings depend on your computer hardware, upload speed, and the quality supported by Facebook Live. Then go to the video settings and select your preferred resolution and frame rate. A lower resolution may be a better choice if your internet connection or computer cannot handle higher quality streaming reliably. Now check your audio. Speak into your microphone and watch the audio mixer in OBS. Make sure your voice is clear and that the audio level does not constantly reach the maximum. Before going live, perform a short test. Check your webcam, screen capture, microphone, system audio, and OBS performance. When everything is ready, start the stream from OBS and complete any required live stream setup or confirmation on Facebook.